Do you grind your teeth at night while asleep? What is this called? Bruxism, aka teeth grinding, is like a secret late night party for your jaws, characterized by unconscious clenching or grinding of teeth while you are in your deep sleep. Although the actual cause remains unknown, stress, anxiety, sometimes genetics, certain medications, or an uneven bite definitely invite bruxism. Guess what? It weakens enamel, leaving your teeth vulnerable to fracture or chipping. These great crashers risk cavities too. If jaw pain, headaches, muscle weakness, or tooth damage crash the party, it's doctor time. Treatment: mouth guards, dental adjustments, stress management, medications, Botox, and lifestyle modifications save the day. It's so simple to care for your oral cavity, isn't it? Take care of yourself.